everyone, welcome back. So today I'm in my bathroom and we're cleaning the bathroom today. I do a daily cleaning where I just wipe things down like really easily, but today I am cleaning and disinfecting the tub. Well, not really, I hate cleaning the tub, so I clean it during my shower, but I'm gonna spray it with like some bleach. I'm gonna clean the toilet, I'm gonna clean the sink area, and I'll show you really quick. I'll show you really quick the products I'm using. I don't use anything super natural when I'm cleaning like for the whole week, like disinfecting and stuff like that. I go with like bleach and I use Lysol. This is actually a method bottle, but it's Lysol in here. So I use that when I'm really cleaning and like disinfecting stuff, just because I feel like natural products don't always do as much as I want them to do. If you use that, good for you. I just prefer it for like really killing germs. I'd rather use something real strong, and my boys aren't really exposed to it because one of them is at preschool right now and the other one is taking a nap. So by the time they wake up or by the time they're home, the smell will be gone and they'll be all right. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you really quickly what I'm using. So for the counter and to clean the toilet, I'm going to use this Target brand cleaner with bleach. I really like this, but I do have to wear like an apron whenever I use it because it will bleach. And then for the floor, I am using this method bottle, but inside is actually Lysol like multi-cleaner thing, and it's a lemon scent, and I just mix it with water and that works perfectly fine. Now for my mirrors and for my glass, I do make this myself. It's just a daily shower cleaner, but I use it on my mirrors. It works perfectly fine. It's water, vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and dish soap. It smells and it cleans really, really good. So I love using this on my glass and on my mirrors. All right, let's get started. Got my hair up, got my apron on, and let's do this. It's now nice and clean. It looks good. It smells good, which that makes me so happy. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on Instagram. I'm trying to be more active on there and show more of my boys on there, since I don't really show too much of them or a ton of them here on my channel. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.